Hello, I'm Hendrik Mills. I'm a man of 64 years old today, and I want to tell you about things that have changed my life, giving me my life back. I had yuppie flu, I had chronic fatigue in the worst case. Nobody could help me. I wouldn't have seen the age of 40, and how sick I was at the time. And yes, through the stroke of luck, a friend told me about Charles Botha. He's in Pretoria, live in a small plot close to Hartbeespoort, and I did made an appointment with him with a consultant. In the first few minutes of the consultation, he told me I have liver fluke. I thought he's mad, and he said I've treated lots of sheep and cattle with liver fluke myself in my life. Reinhard could solve the problem. He treated me with Rife frequencies and with ozone in the ozone bath, and yeah, and injected me with Epsom salts. From there I'm home without any pills or anything. I thought, yeah, well, what the hell. Within 2 weeks I know I got my life back. My eyes opened by themselves. In the morning I used to have to break out the ether out of my eyes to be able to open my eyes physically. I woke up by myself. I did not need an alarm clock to do that. From there, I did not sleep the whole day anymore. I had much more energy, and I was not that depressed anymore, that much depressed. So that was the beginning of my journey to get my health back. So the big problem is parasites. The worst parasites in your body: liver fluke, Phaseolopsis bushki. And I treated thousands and thousands of people for parasites in my life with great success. Since 97 till today, I haven't been back to a medical doctor. I use a SKIU, this is quantum physics, and parasites remedies, and have a good diet. That's how I manage my health up to today. I'm at this stage a young 64 years old.